We're talking Instagram bios today. No more bouncing followers confused as to who you are and what you do. I'll teach you how to optimize your bio so that it showcases your business and drives traffic to your website. Hi there, my name is Natalia and welcome back to my channel where I share super actionable ideas on content creation for entrepreneurs and creatives. In today's video, we're going in depth to teach you how to perfectly optimize your bio so that it works for you and your business. I'll teach you 5 important steps to creating your own perfect bio and attracting new clients. IG bios are arguably the most important part of your profile because they can act like your business card, informing potential followers on who you are and what you can offer. 90% of accounts I audit or simply come across while scrolling don't have a good bio, and it's really tough to know what they're even about. And honestly, you don't even know how hard it was to find examples of good practices for this video. Nowadays, most people tend to bump into company social media profiles even before they visit your website, so having it properly optimized ensures that they actually have a reason to stay, and this is how you convert them to leads. With an enticing bio, not only are you prompting the followers to get in touch with you directly, you also have the potential to drive more traffic to your website or your blog and inject them into your funnel, turning them into paying clients. All right, let's dive right into this video. Step 1, business name. The first element of your bio is the name section, and this is where so many people already trip up. I've seen countless personal brand accounts with a username based off of someone's name, like for example, @ZoeFenton, repeating the exact same thing in their business name. That's a big mistake because you're not capitalizing on the potential of this section. The name element is actually searchable, which means you can insert your keywords into it and your profile can be found if someone is looking for it. Let's say your name is Zoe Fenton and you're a yoga instructor. If there are people out there who don't know you, they won't be actively looking for a Zoe Fenton. They will instead be looking for a yoga teacher, and that's what you should have included in your name section. Fun fact, a few years ago, I had portrait photographer included in my name section, and my bio was properly optimized with contact details. I cover how to set it up in this video, so make sure to watch till the very end. The thing is though, my account was completely inactive. Yet, I got an email from a makeup artist, Serena, saying she found me on IG and if I take her photos. It resulted in a few amazing photo shoots without doing a single thing to actually promote my photography. So shout out to Serena, go check her out, she's extremely talented. Step 2, mission and value. The next step is to actually optimize the bio section. This is where you can show who you are and, more importantly, how you serve your community or what problems you solve. You need to clearly define the benefits that the followers will get from you. So for example, I found an online business lawyer @Nina the Lawyer, and her statement says, tips plus roadmaps to help CEOs navigate the wild world of online biz. I know exactly what I can expect from her profile, and that's making me stay. Step 3, more details. Once you have the first sentence out of the way, you can expand on it and add the extra layer of detail. This part will be very specific to your niche or brand, and you'll have to decide what your followers will want to hear about from you. Let's see a few examples. This is where you can explain what you actually sell. Cooking classes, handmade jewelry, workout plans, nutrition consultations, and if you sell it, be clear about it from the get-go, especially if you can't easily display it visually on your grid with your photos. If you have a brand-specific hashtag like this florist studio in Hong Kong, @floristry@ml, you can use it in your bio. They offer an incentive for tagging photos with their hashtag wildaboutfloristry right in their bio, and that's the only correct way of using hashtags in your bio. Otherwise, you're just diluting traffic and sending it to more generic hashtags like #travel, which won't send people anywhere specific connected to you or your business, including email address. This might seem counterintuitive since you have the contact details section in your business account below, but hear me out. If you're an influencer and working with brands, you really want to have your email address in this section. Why? First of all, most influencer marketers and agencies want to keep continuity, and IG button or any other contact forms don't really provide that. Moreover, the email address button doesn't appear if you're using a laptop or a computer at all, and that's how marketers will most likely be searching for potential contacts. Make it easier for them and include your contact details in the bio. Showcase expertise and social proof. If you have a successful course, say 10K plus students on your course. Same goes for your other platforms. Take Jeff Nippert, a powerlifter and educator with 2+ million subscribers, which he proudly showcases in his bio. This creates an instant sense of authority and informs visitors that they can check out his channel too. Dr. Bill Dorfman, a cosmetic dentist, included New York Times best-selling author in his bio so that you know that you can read his book too. Honestly, I can go on and on about this, but the crucial part is this. Have a detailed description which is targeted at your dream audience. Really think about what they're looking for and what they'd want to learn about when coming to your profile. Step 4, incentive to click. Adding a call to action is super important at this stage. I see so many Instagrammers include a link to their website but say nothing about it. It's especially bad if there's no clear indication as to what they're going to see or get once they click. Sometimes you see website links which tell you it might be an online course or a downloadable checklist, but you're not really invited or nudged in the right direction. Adding a CTA is crucial to sparking an interest or emphasizing a promotion, which can lead to actual sales. Going back to Nina the lawyer, she offers 20% off her template bundles, and you can see it clearly in her bio. Step 5, links. Instagram can be an effective tool to driving traffic to your website. Whether you have an online store, a blog, or website showcasing your services, make sure to include it on your IG. This can also be the first huge step in promoting your brand in so many ways. First, think about why you want to send traffic to a specific place. Include a link if you have a thriving Facebook group where you want to send people to then educate them and turn them into paying clients. If you're a YouTuber, drive traffic there from your Instagram. If you're building an email list, this is how you can promote your lead magnet. If you have a special offer for your IG community, launching a new product, posting a new recipe. Do you see where I'm going with this? So with this one small link, the possibilities are truly endless, and it can create an abundance of traffic and convert your followers into paying customers. I can honestly go on and on about how you can optimize your bio and actually capitalize on all the features that Instagram offers to generate new leads and boost sales. I have a new video coming up on how to utilize Instagram highlights to showcase your brand and increase your sales even further. So subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to not miss this one. I'd love to hear what your bio looks like, and if this video helped you out, comment below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.